Hello everybody, I'm Allan Butson. This is a quick video blog for all my clients at Wealth Merchants Australia. Just a quick one about the current Japanese crisis and the problems that they're having over there at the moment. And I just want to give you a bit of an update on the market and the problems that we're going to have over the next month at least while the tragedy unfolds. At this point in time, the markets are going to be very volatile and the Australian All Ordinaries is going to retract quite substantially to start with before it levels off and becomes more stable. The impact of the Japanese economy being the third biggest in the world is not going to not play out in Australia, as everyone knows, because we are very interlinked. Japan being the third biggest in the world is going to impact just about everybody. At this point in time, I would think that things are going to be very volatile, probably for the next 3 to 4 months. They're just going to be up and down as the markets steady themselves out. We're not 100% sure on what the impact on the actual markets is going to be, so just be ready for a little bit of volatility. Your funds are going to decrease in value originally. They will go back up, they always do, and you're probably sitting there going, here we go again. But this one's a little bit different because of the major infrastructure damage within Japan and their importance in the world economy. Things will be treated high priority and they'll be in there fixing that up very quickly, which means that there is going to be a lot of economic stimulus around the Pacific region. They will need a lot of commodities to get their country back up and running. They will need a lot of infrastructure. They'll need steel. They'll need everything, you name it. The good thing about this is it's going to also boost the Chinese economy and the American economy a bit to get this up and running. Another question that's going to be asked is Japan having the highest debt per GDP in the world, where they're going to get the money from to rebuild. I would think that the World Bank and the world in general is going to come to their aid because of the simple fact that, as I said, being the third biggest in the world, they're going to need to get this economy back up and running very quickly. I mean, if you just look at the cars, Toyotas, the motorbikes, Kawasaki, all the games, Nintendo, PlayStations, all the rest of those games, all Japanese based. As you can imagine, there is billions of dollars that come out of Japan. So the world needs that economy running pretty well, so you can imagine behind closed doors at this point in time they're going to be working very hard to make sure that they get that up and running. I mean, poor Japan, health reasons, you know, they've got the nuclear problems and all that sort of stuff, so our prayers are to them. I'm just giving you this updated information just to let you know that we're watching the funds, we're making sure that everything's okay, and the reason we put you in your risk profile and we make sure that you're in different sectors is when times like these occur, your funds get volatile, but they don't fall through the floor, and we're able to keep you reasonably capital stable. I know we do fall a little bit. Funds have come down of recent times due to Middle East. Now we've got this Japanese problem on deck. Don't listen to the people, the talking heads in the press. They're going to be saying a whole bunch of stuff, but you can imagine behind closed doors and the real economies and the people with the money are going to be working extremely hard to get this Japanese economy back up and running and make sure that the world economy keeps on ticking over. As I said, this is just a quick blog just to my Wealth Merchants clients. Just keep an eye on things. I'll keep you up to date from time to time. I will be back to you by the end of the month with another update. I imagine interest rates are going to be kept on hold for the moment, so any other problems that are going to be coming our way, I'll keep you up to date. My name's Allan Butson. To Wealth Merchants clients, take care. If you need me, give me a call. We're there for you. We're reviewing you as usual, and that's our job. Thank you very much.